We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this global skincare brand owned by Brazilian company Natura & Co. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more beauty brand names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this one? It does look strange. In British English, it is simply pronounced as Aesop. Aesop. In American English, it is usually said as Aesop. Aesop, with a bit of a deeper O sound, R sound. Aesop in American English versus Aesop in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more beauty brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.